Guys, welcome back to the channel, girl. Hope all is well. So as you guys see by the title, we have another wig that we are going to be trying out today. This wig was provided from SAMSBEAUTY for review, and we are going to be trying out this wig today. This is from Cloud9 Sensational, and this is a Swiss lace wig. And this is 100% premium fiber, meaning it's mixed with synthetic and human hair. And I got this style 1B. This could take heat up to 350 to 400 Fahrenheit. It's also pre-plucked, undetectable. I really like the way she have it, like this one here. I really like this style. We see how it looks on me. Okay, so this is it here. Pretty long. You guys can see how long it is. Like really long. We got 3 combs, one on each side, and we got one in the back here. Okay, so this fits okay. It's a little bit tight for my head. It looks pretty different from the picture. Let me just show you guys what the picture looks like. This part right here, it looks so different. I don't know, but this is just straight from the box. Get a lot of lace so you can party however you want. I want to do like a side part. I love side parts. I want to do it like this. That's just what I like to do with my wigs. I really do like the way it looks, so I'm gonna try to do this with volume, and you put on the side, the wig look a little bit more better. So I was trying to get the wig like this right here, but I don't even know what they did. I didn't get it the way that I wanted to, but it is what it is. Now, let me tell you guys something. Don't put heat on this, okay? I use my press iron to flatten the front, and girl, a big chunk of hair came out. Thank God, like I catch it on time, because it would you know, leave a bald spot there. I don't know. This is the first time this ever happened to me, but so I tried my best. This is how, you know, I tried to do it. Now I cut off a lot of the lace because I wanted to look very natural in the front. As you guys see right there, it looks okay. I think I did a good job with the front. I like this wig. Really pretty. Love the volume. I just open it up with my hands, you know, just freeze it up a little bit because I like big hair. But if you don't like that look, you could just, you know, do it straight from the box. But I am not that girl, so I don't like things straight up from the box. I just like to play around with the hair and figure out how I like to style it. The front part is a bit frizzy in the front right here, as you guys can see, but I don't have a spray, so I could spray it, but that's fine. I just want to show you guys what it looks like. And honestly, don't put no heat on this, guys. Like, you will lose your hair. I did experience shedding. I want to make sure I tell you guys that beside that, the wig is beautiful. It's long. I love long hair, so I am very impressed with it. Are gonna experience a little bit of tangling as well, especially with this type of hair. So I think this is around like 26 inch, I would say. But beside that, girl, this is a very nice unit. They have other colors if you guys want to get other colors. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this unit. I will have all the information down below for you guys if you want to get this unit. So thank you again to SAMSBEAUTY for providing this wig for review. Appreciate it. And if you are new here, girl, thank you so much for clicking on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so when I upload videos, you will be notified, girl. And to my OGs, thank you guys so much for returning. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video.